Hey guys, it's East Coast ASMR, and today I'm going to be showing you this picnic basket that I got when I was cleaning out my grandmother's house. Wicker, I think that's what it is. There's my cat. That's my cat Dewey. Anyway, don't mind him. No. He's trying to jump on my desk. No. I apologize. There. That's all he wanted. He wanted the window open. Anyway. He's gonna be bad. This video is turning out to be ridiculous, but I think I'm going to keep going. Anyway. Inside. Well, this was just all loose at my grandmother's house, and I didn't have anywhere to put it, but it fit inside here, so it's, I think you're supposed to put wine in it. It comes with these glasses. I like that noise. Can you like the I don't know how to describe it, like, you know, the cork noise. I'm gonna pause this because my cat is about to knock something over. Okay, now he's laying on the bed again. This is just ridiculous. I hope you don't mind this video. Do you like the sound of the wicker? So this video is basically showcasing my cat. Come here, Dudu. He's a fat cat. Come here. He's gonna bite me. Come here. He said no. I should kick him out of the room, but then he'd be banging at the door. He knocks at doors. If you're in a room, he'll knock at the door. He bangs at it until you open it. And now she made his way in this small space next to my bed, and he's being ridiculous. And look at him. I think he's stalking. Oh, goodness. I don't know how relaxing this video is going to be. He's ridiculous. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. This is going to be a really short video. I hope you liked the sounds and maybe you enjoyed seeing my cat Dewey being ridiculous. And maybe I didn't really make that many sounds on these, but tell me if you like these sounds. I'll make them a longer video. Anyway, well, that's it. So I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.